Good morning, students, and welcome to Module 2. I really enjoyed getting to read your student introductions last week and engage with you guys on the discussion board that was all about critical thinking. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to move into a Module 2, on rhetorical analysis. And so we're going to be looking at how to identify claims, right? There are going to be three different types of claims that we're going to look at. Then we're going to focus specifically on ethos and pathos. So, ethos, as a reminder, is the appeal to credibility or trustworthiness, and pathos is the appeal to emotion. So, we're going to look at how authors can use that. And then you're also going to be looking at in a written lecture on purpose, tone, audience, and content. Okay. And that will help you guys as you are reading a bunch of sample texts this week. And then you are going to be choosing an article to respond to. Okay. Now, it's also going to be important that you read the information on MLA in-text citations because part of building your credibility as a writer means that um, you need to cite your sources, right? That's one of the ways that trust can be earned with your audience. So if you guys go over to modules here, right, we can go ahead and look at module 2. And so you always want to start with the overview here. Okay, so you have textbook reading, you have a written lecture, you have a video lecture, and you also have several sample texts that you need to read this week. There's even a practice quiz on the rhetorical appeals, a video on MLA, and then you have your discussion newspaper response. So don't forget that for your discussion, you need to do your initial response um, by Friday, okay? And then we have the weekend to respond to each other and engage in that discussion. I will have office hours on Friday this week from 1 to 2 p.m., so feel free to drop in. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to send me a message. I hope you guys have a great week.